Okay guys, Charlie's cooking again today. So I got this beef chuck roast in here. I'm gonna cut it up into big cubes. And I'm gonna pressure cook it. Got some onions, got some green onions. I'm just gonna cut the tops off and save the greens for later. Got some carrots I'm gonna throw in there. I'm gonna use the rest of this roux that I didn't use in gumbo to make the gravy. And whatever else I'll throw in there, I will let y'all know as I cooking. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut that up. Pretty big pieces, 1 inch, 1.5 inches. I forgot to mention, I'm gonna cheat and use these Idaho buttery home-style mashed potatoes. I'm gonna put carrots in it. So it looks like I'm ready to start searing this meat. Gotta come over here. Turn this baby on. Let me put it in here. Go ahead and put these chopped up green onions in. Good. And we put open sear. And we'll start that for 20 minutes. Let it warm up. And I'll throw the meat in there. We'll be right back. That smells wonderful, guys. I'll just keep searing it. Hopefully it'll brown a little bit, but that's okay. We'll just keep cooking it like that. Next thing I'm gonna do, put some salt and pepper in there. About that much pepper. It's one of them little spoons that Brandy bought. And about that much of salt for right now. We do a taste test later. Ooh, it really smells good now. After that pepper gets, pepper and black pepper and beef go great together. Well, we're gonna let it keep simmering for a few minutes. And I'll come back and put the lid on her. And probably cook her for 20 minutes and check it. Add some seasoning to it. Might have to add a little more water to it. I don't have no broth, so I have to go with water, but all that meat should make some good beef broth. Yep, it's been searing about 10 minutes now. Not really searing, it's cooking in its own juices. That's okay. The reason I like cooking in the pressure cooker, because I don't have much time. My wife be home by 1.5 hours, and this will be done in 1.5 hours, and tender and falling apart. Let's add some garlic. 1 old big heaping teaspoonful. Come on, get off there. Ain't nobody going back in the jar. I usually use fresh, but I don't have none. And Brandy bought this garlic right here. Better than nothing. So, I'm gonna add a little more pepper to this. That smells wonderful. I think I'm gonna put 1 more of these little spoons in here. That should get it. Give her a stir. Well, I guess it's time to pressure cook this baby. I don't know how much water I'm gonna put in yet, but I'm gonna start with 4 cups. That's 4. Looks like it's gonna be 4 more. Because I like a lot of gravy. Okay. Because I gotta have room for the carrots too. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this and put it on pressure cook for about 20 minutes. Let's see, cancel that. We'll put the lid on her. And I line up them marks. Close her. Make sure that's closed. Reach down here and put it on pressure cook. And it'll start with 40 minutes, but I'll control that. Do 20 at a time. And go from there. We'll come back in 20 minutes, guys, and check her out. Well, guys, it looks like my voice quit working here. The mic quit working, so I got to do a voiceover. But this is where I let off the pressure from the pressure cooker, and I added the carrots and reset everything for 20 more minutes. So I hope this is working. I'll find out in a second. But that's all I did. Put the carrots in and reset everything for 20 more minutes. So y'all stick around. Here's my rag. It's a steaming. I think I'm gonna warm this up in the microwave. Maybe it'll come out right. My stand's getting weak. It's dropping. Oh, I hope this will be good, be good, be good. Let me find a different bowl. We're going to take out what's in there and then stir in the roux. The roux. Don't let that steam get you, it's hot. It's almost finished. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, still got some pressure. Okay. Little vent fell down, so it's time. Ouch. I'm gonna take everything out. Ooh, that looks good. That meat's falling apart tender already. Oh, that little piece gonna be mine. Ah, that ain't gonna hurt nothing. So I'm gonna take this and put it back on open sear so it'll get hot. Oh yeah, put that in the microwave for 1 minute. It loosened right up. Oh, it's gonna taste like gumbo stew. Better get to stirring, huh? If it's boiling, I've got to get it hot. Get that roux dissolved in there, so I know how much more to put in there. There's a piece. It's dissolving slowly but surely. Now I got it. Remember that piece of meat? Oh yeah, that's tender. Hoping that roux is digging up by now. Oh well, guys. Let's give this a minute and see if it thickens up. Okay guys, I put a package of Louisiana brown gravy mix in it. It still hadn't really thickened up like I like it, but I think it will. I'm gonna add everything back in it and pressure cook it for about 10 minutes. Oh, I don't want this splashing me, so I'm gonna just add it back in like I took it out. I think I can dump the rest now. Well, let's pressure cook her a little bit more. That'd be like 30 minutes altogether, which is not bad for cooking a 2-pound roast. On pressure cooking for 10 minutes. Then we'll check it. Okay, we'll come back. Well guys, we had to do another mic over. I forgot to turn on the mic or it quit working again. I don't know. Brandy's here helping me. It's all done and we're going to do a taste test.
Yes, we are. Let's get it plated up.
I don't know what to say, but my lips are moving.
We're talking about how good it is, how good it smells, how good it looks. Now Autumn wants to join us.
Oh yeah, as always. She had to go get her ladder and bring it in. I had to move to let Autumn in.
Of course. Now we're getting everything set up.
I think I checked my mic, but I don't know why it didn't come on.
There is no telling.
Probably needs new batteries. We haven't used it in a year.
Oh wow, has it been that long?
Probably longer.
Okay, let's give this a
Here,
taste.
let's give it a taste.
Put you some green onions in that.
Yeah.
He's got to have the green onions. And Autumn's like, ooh, no. She didn't want to try that.
But it only took like 50 minutes to cook this whole meal, 1-pot meal, and that's my favorite. So how was it, baby?
Well, let me get a taste.
The voices ain't gonna match the video.
Oh, it's
Yum, that was good. How about you?
It's a 10 out of 10, hon.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yep.
Yep.
Sure
Let me
was
get some
good.
more. I'm hungry.
How was it, Brandy?
I'm eating it.
Hey, I'm not laughing on there. Why am I laughing? I said something.
Well, this is another
Thank you
video.
for watching another video from Paver Homestead. Y'all keep watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that dingle bell and thumbs up.
Bye.